Hello, this is Shane James, and today we're going to talk about success plans, success planning in CCOPilot.ai. One of the difficult things about creating success plans is, do you know enough about what success looks like to the customer, and have you looked at all the signals around that customer to decide? So let me show you a way we do this here. So basically what happens is when you go to create plan, inside of CCOPilot, you select the customer that you want to create a success plan for. Let's just go with Apex. Let AI build this. Click generate with AI. It's looking at all the transcripts, NPS scores, ARR. It's looking at a bunch of signals and variables to decide what would be the best. And what it found out is this: it said plan names, Apex Financial, a little bit about the plan, why it was generated, the declining health score trend, recent CSAT drop, and critical risk of competitor evaluations drove the creation of the plan. The call history, particularly the escalation call on 318, highlighted the need for improved support response times and addressing the CFO's vendor contract review. The plan phases and milestones are designed to address these specific risks and opportunities. So now if you notice, there's two phases set here with how long it's going to take to do each one: risk recovery and stabilization, and renewal and expansion preparation. The risks are here, and so are the opportunities. So when you click accept and populate, it will then populate the entire plan for you. You select what type of plan you're wanting, and this is obviously to do with the renewal. We'll leave the rest blank, and we'll give it a 60-day term. If you want to add additional phases into this project, you're more than welcome to. You can make these as complex or as simple as you want. But I think the most important thing is whatever you're working toward on the success plans, make sure it's about the customer's outcomes and not what we're trying to do. In other words, the alignment, understanding what that outcome looks like, and making sure that everything we do focuses on getting to those outcomes. Once you're done here, it shows you the phases. You click next. It will also show you the kind of a summary here. And when you create success plans, this customer, Apex, has now got a complete success plan that you can turn on by hitting here and start your plan. Once you start that plan, anytime you're here, it'll start looking at what's in that plan, the tasks, the activities, or you can go directly to the customer, and you can see that plan here when you go to work under the work tab and success plans. And you'll see there's the success plan we just created. There's the status of each. And at the end, hopefully, if all goes well, you will have a customer in a much better shape than where you were when this all started.